How to check in a walk-in guest using the PMS system. Let's get started. In the case of a guest who has just arrived without any prior reservation, the process might be a bit different. To begin, select the walk-in option in the PMS. Upon walking in, the checkout date is automatically set to the current date. You can choose your desired checkout date, select the room type, and find available rooms. Once you've found an available room, let's choose room number 9. Next, we need to determine which meal plan the guest would like to opt for, along with the total number of adults and any children accompanying the guest. We also need to determine the sell rate for the room and if any kind of tax is included or excluded. If you wish to collect the amount now, you can toggle the Add Room Type option. Alternatively, you can add it to the room and collect payment during checkout. If you choose to collect the amount now, you'll need to collect any advance payment via cash along with any reference number. Once completed, you can scan the guest's ID card to check them in. You can directly put the ID card under the camera and all the fields will be filled automatically. You'll need to enter the guest's mobile number, name, age, and email address. Additionally, you can add fields such as the purpose of the visit and gender, and upload relevant documents. The secondary guest details are optional. Congratulations, you have successfully completed a walk-in check-in. The guest will receive a welcome message on the mobile number entered during check-in. When the guest clicks on the link, it will redirect them to the property details.